Does your pet suffer from anxiety? We've got the solution for you. Introducing the new revolutionary product by DogsThe. An anxiety vest that stimulates the pet's senses of touch, smell, and hearing with no training nor medication needed. By stimulating the sense of touch, DogsThe applies gentle pressure to calm your pet's torso. By stimulating the sense of hearing, DogsThe also provides an amazing feature, a music player with a calming and relaxing sound that will repeat itself over and over to provide your pet the best chilling mood. DogsThe includes lavender essential oil to provide your pet the best calming atmosphere.
Hi, I'm Sarah, and this big fella is Bailey. We're both pretty excited about this breakthrough innovation for pets, the Comfort Zone Calming Vest. Now, there are plenty of ordinary calming shirts out there, and you may have even tried one, but had issues with sizing, discomfort, or lack of flexibility, or it's simply not working. The complete comfort compression technology in these vests is what gives your dogs more of that swaddling-like sensation that keeps them calm. So the key is getting the perfect size vest for your dog, because dogs in the same breed have different body shapes. You'll also notice it features a full chest fit for maximum torso coverage. For your dog's unique and proper size, wrap your tape measure around the widest part of your dog's torso, kind of right behind the armpits of the front legs like this. Bailey is 29 inches, so that's a large. The Comfort Zone Calming Vest with complete comfort compression technology takes all the stress out of stressful situations.